Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how can you integrate the Deepgram application in your GHL. So first of all, go to your agency level and from the menu select level up marketplace. Here all the apps come. Click for Deepgram. After this you will click on the install button, so a pop-up come. So if you want to install this application on all the location, then you will click on the agency, and if you want to install it on a specific location, then select the location from there. So in my case I will install it on all the locations. So after that click on both checked and proceed. So it will install this application on all the locations. So for configure the application on a specific location, switch the location from there. So in my case I will choose this location and then click on app configuration section from the menu. After that search for Deepgram. Here all the application installed on that specific location. So Deepgram is available, I will click on it. So it will ask for the API key. So for API key, create an account on Deepgram, and on the first page dashboard you will see the create API key option. Click on it, give the name and create key. So it will create a key for you. So basically copy the key and paste it there and click on submit. So this app is successfully configured on your GHL. Thank you.